So, hi guys, good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jesse Roy Alcaraz. I am a college instructor there is a Combal or Davao de Oro. So, for this morning, I'll try to teach or introduce three elements of the financial statement: assets, liabilities, and equity, as well as give you an introduction sa kanang ginatawag nato nga accounting equation. By the way, I do this because I wanted to help students nga nag modular karon, especially nag modular, or those nga naay problema sa internet nga dili maka-appeal og online classes. So they could just download this one, listen to the video, and they could also make comments, tapos I'll try to also answer. So di na ako dugayon. So let us start defining these three. So we have here assets, liabilities, and equity. So kanang definition nga naa diri nagdali-dali mangud ko, wala kayo ko ka-prepare. So these are just tawag nito, definition nga na-google na ako sa Investopedia. Siguro next video siguro I'll try to look for better definitions because ang naa lang mangud diri is more of the ano lang niya, more on naghatag lang siya ng example kung unsay naa sa assets, naa sa liability, naa sa equity. For example, assets. They just mentioned here na consists of cash equivalents, accounts receivable, and inventory. Which is true, tama man. But for purposes of discussion, ako personally, masabta na ako sa when we relate it to the business in a way nga, simply put, assets are just resources, either tangible or intangible, owned and managed by the business nga nakatabang sa ilaha to make their business operation as well as generate income. So basically, these are just things, mga bagay-bagay, tangible or intangible, nga gipanag-iyahan sa business. Whether computer, kwarta, inventory ba karon, baligya, ana siya, furniture, sakyanan, nga naa sa business, gipanag-iyahan sa business or nakalista sa libro sa business. So basically, those are just assets. And when we ask the question, asa gikan na nga mga assets, diri na masulod si liability and equity. So again, going back to the question, what are the sources of these assets? Asa gikan nga sakyanan, asa gikan nga kwarta, asa gikan nga furniture, asa gikan nga inventory. Kung ang tubag ana is inutang, that's liability. Kung ang tubag ana is gikan sa tag-iya or gi-invest sa tag-iya or sa mga tag-iya, then that's equity. Since inutang man siya, bayaran na siya. That's liability now. Since gihatag man na siya or gi-invest man na siya sa owners, then malugi or kung malugi ang business, then wala na tayo uli sila. But if mag-profit ang business, then magdako pod ang equity. So magdako ang equity and it also increases the share of the owners. So again, balik ta. Assets, things owned by the company or the business. Asa gikan, kung inutang, liability, kung gikan sa owners, equity. So, but that's not all. But for now, let's just take to that definition para di kayo mo malibog. And here now comes kaning ginatawag nato nga accounting equation. So sama sa akong giingon ganina, assets are things owned and managed by the corporation, and kung asa gikan, kung inutang, liability, kung gikan sa tag-iya, equity. This now represents the accounting equation. As makita nato dire, assets, the accounting equation tells us that asset is equal to liability plus equity. So it also matches our discussion a while ago nga kani mga butangan mag-equal dyan na siya sa kaning liability of equity because this will simply tell us kung kani ba nga mga asset is inutang, liability na siya. Kung kani ba nga mga asset is gikan ba sa tag-iya, equity. So duha lang man jud ang source ana, either inutang or kung gikan sa tag-iya. When we add up those two, kung i-add nato ni si liability and equity, it will always equal to the total assets nato. So the accounting equation shows the fundamental relationship of the basic accounting elements: assets, liabilities, and equity. Mano siyang ginaingon diri nga the assets of an entity are either financed by borrowing or the company's investors. So the total assets, kung asa na siya gikan, duha ra na siya, whether inutang or gikan sa investor. That is why our accounting equation is like this. Thus, after the liabilities are paid, the remaining assets will be the share of the owner of the company. So actually, we are done. That simply ends this very short discussion of the assets, liabilities, equity, as well as the accounting equation. So again, this is my first video. I do apologize kung dili pa kayo klaro or na mga wala na sabtan. But feel free to ask in the comment section. So that would be all. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.